Look, I don't understand how Spurs have managed to get a win against Man City again and again, again and again, again and again, and then again. Last night, they won by 4-0 against Man City. Or maybe, Man City के लिए Tottenham has become the Achilles heel when they know that they are always going to lose point against them. But किस तरीके से Tottenham ने code crack किया है to win against Manchester City? Because when it comes to Liverpool, even if we are playing the best, much better than them, even then, it's always a draw for us. क्यों हम इतना नर्वस हो जाते हैं उनके अगेंस्ट? एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली haunting me right now, because next match of Man City is against Liverpool, and I am a little bit nervous right now because I don't think that Pep is going to let that go away just like it, But I so want that win. It'll be so sweet. I want that win. But listen, let's not go there because we actually have to talk about what is actually happening with Man City. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video right now. नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड. यू नो व्हाट, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स सिंस एवरीबडी हैज सीन कल वाला मैच, बिकॉज नोबडी रियली थॉट दैट दिस टाइम मैन सिटी विल लेट टॉटनम रन ओवर देम अगेन, बट इट डिड हैपन. It did happen. Like after the 2 goals, in the first half, I thought that abhi aayega Pep Guardiola ka, overthinking wala brain, and he would be like, this is what we have to do, and they will do it, and they'll end up at least getting a draw. But it did not happen. It just made things worse for them, and that's how they ended up losing like 4-0. But if you think about all of these things, do you think that Rodri is one of the major factors of all of this, of this downfall of Man City that we are seeing right now? Do you think that can be the reason? तो फिर if Rodri is so damn important for Manchester City, फिर तो भाई उसको बैलन ड'ओर मिलना बनता है. फिर तो कोई बोल भी नहीं सकता अगर मैन सिटी की डिपेंडेंस रॉड्री पे इतनी ज़्यादा है. No doubt Rodri has been an incredible player for them, but is Manchester City so dependent on one player? You know how world class players there are of Man City in every damn position. उनका bench देखो, उससे second third best teams बन सकते हैं यार. इतना strong City हमेशा रहा है, but has it become like one man dependent team so much? कल के मैच में मैन सिटी हैड नो आइडिया टॉटनम के टैक्टिक्स को कैसे नलीफाई करे until and unless केविन डे ब्रुइना केम ऑन. जैसे ही वो सेकेंड हाफ में आते हैं, देन उसके बाद यू सी सच ब्यूटिफुल चांसेस बीइंग क्रिएटेड बाय मैन सिटी. इवन दो चलो ठीक है एंड नहीं कर पाए, गोल नहीं कर पाए, दैट इज ऑल देयर, बट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव वी सीन लिवरपूल प्ले लाइक दैट कि हम बहुत बढ़िया खेल रहे हैं भाई, पासेस ऑन पॉइंट, क्रॉसेस ऑन पॉइंट, डिफेंस ऑन पॉइंट, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू गेटिंग गोल्स, बीइंग क्लिनिकल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेट, दैट इज व्हेन we don't perform. That is when we lose the matches. That is where we end up losing the points as well. Like that is the main point that I always used to see in Liverpool, but I never saw that thing in Man City. But now we are seeing that in Man City as well. They're not being clinical in front of the net. How is bloody that possible? But that is happening, guys. Things are changing. Man City is becoming a human because they were like robots performing year after year like that, winning year after year like that. Now I see them as humans, and it gives me so much satisfaction, not because they are losing but because they are humans. If they are humans, फिर उनको हराना हो सकता है, बन सकता है, पर तुम रोबोट से कैसे जीतोगे भाई? Which is why I'm like a little bit satisfied that yes, even they can have these sort of years, these sort of seasons. But as a Liverpool fan, you also know हमको कितनी बार धोखा मिला है इस चीज़ में. जब न्यू ईयर्स तक हम लोग हमेशा टॉप ऑफ द टेबल पे रहे हैं, वी हैव हैड वेरी गुड विन्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड वी ऑलवेज सीम टू like hope that we will might win the league again, but then comes City second half of the season where they start to perform like what, man, that's how they start performing, and they don't lose any match, they don't drop points, and that is when we or other teams start to drop points, and then you see City like going on the top of the table again. We have seen that one too many times as Liverpool fans, and it hurts so much, which is why I'm not really going like beyond any expectations or anything. But problem वही है कि 5 defeats in a row for Manchester City, it's something that we have never really seen before. तो which is why हम सबको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि किस तरीके से इस न्यूज़ को देखें या फिर क्या मेक आउट करें इस चीज़ का कि क्या एक्चुअली में हो रहा है. One of the other reasons can be, listen to me, can be जर्गन क्लॉप. हो ही सकता है भाई. क्लॉप और पेप में जितना हेल्दी राइवलरी चल रहा था, जो हमको हमेशा ईयर आफ्टर ईयर देखने को मिला बिटवीन दीज टू लेजेंड्स, that is not there anymore. And Arne Slot is not the type of manager जिसको तुम अगर उंगली करोगे he'll be like हाँ मैं तेरे को डबल उंगली करेगा, because he's not like that. He is a very dramaless man, you know, our manager is like that. तो अभी जब पेप ग्वार्डियोला का एक्सटेंशन हुआ था तो 2027 तक आई थिंक पेप ग्वार्डियोला इज गोइंग टू स्टे, तो उसके ऊपर आर्ने स्लॉट ने पता क्या बोला, oh, I'm very happy for him, you know, that he's signing for Man City. This makes Premier League even more interesting because it's such an incredible team. ऐसे बंदे से जो ऐसे बोल रहा है, तुम क्या rivalry रखोगे यार? He just takes the rivalry out of it, you know. But that's how Arne Slot is. अगर यही क्लॉप होता, I'm sure that Klopp would have said that it'll be good to win one against them again, you know. It'll be like that. तो इससे क्या होता है कि you know Pep will have something to say and then Klopp will have something more to say. तो इससे बहुत अच्छा एक rivalry create हो जाता है. But now we don't see that. तो maybe the push that was happening earlier, maybe we are not seeing that now. Also, of course, that can be one of the reasons. But every team has its natural course which comes to an end. That's what normally happens. Liverpool when won Champions League, like won it all under Klopp. तो प्रीमियर लीग, चैम्पियंस लीग सब जीतने के बाद यू सॉ दैट सेम बंच ऑफ पीपल, दैट सेम बंच ऑफ टैलेंट नॉट परफॉर्मिंग इन द नेक्स्ट सीजन्स. It just seemed like the team has run its course. Like we need freshness in the team, we need spark in the team, you know. And that's what is normal and natural when it comes to players winning together and things. Like there are just one or two players that stay consistent and, you know, play for the club and become legends. That happens, but not the entire team. And this is what is like Klopp is facing right now. The same bunch of people have been performing year after year, which is why now you see that freshness is not there in Man City's squad. Maybe that they really need to like change the squad, switch positions and things like that. But of course, like Man City is facing the natural problem which every club faces after they win so much together, and I think that's what is happening right now too. एक और चीज़ है, it's not a big surprise कि अगर कल Man City Tottenham से हार गया, because you know that Tottenham has always made City drop points. They know, you know, how to make them nervous around them. Even though you will see Tottenham end up losing against Ipswich Town, they might not be that consistent in the league, but they know how to get points against Man City. So that's what they did yesterday. So it's not a very big surprise, but yeah, it was like, हाँ ठीक है, maybe Man City will get a draw in the match because Tottenham actually does not feel nervous around them. It's the other way around. But मुझे इससे थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम ये है कि I wish टॉटनम कल ड्रॉ कर लेता, क्योंकि अगला मैच प्रीमियर लीग में लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट है. एंड डू यू बिलीव एंड डू यू थिंक दैट एक्चुअली पेप ग्वार्डियोला इज गोइंग टू लूज दैट मैच और मे बी इवन गेट अ ड्रॉ? डोंट यू थिंक all hell will break loose and he'll come at Anfield and it'll be so crazy? I'm like nervous right now because I know it's not going to be easy to get results in that bloody match against Man City. You know that even though we have had like a good run of games, we have good lead, but still I want to win that match. I want to feel that sweet victory of winning against them. They should be losing more points. That's what I want right now. But I don't know if that will happen or not in the next match. We are yet to see that. But as of now, it's obviously getting a little bit scarier because thinking that next match of Pep Guardiola is going to be against Liverpool, it's not going to be easy. He's going to like properly create strategies and plans and tactics, and it's going to be difficult. It's really going to be difficult. एक और reason हो सकता है that you all know that there are like almost 115 charges against Man City right now, and they have also lost one or two of them currently. So maybe even players are feeling the pressure of it, right? Like that's what I'm feeling in the team right now. It's not easy on the entire team when you know that there are so many charges that they're facing and what may happen, what may not happen. तो कहीं ना कहीं जाके it might be affecting the momentum of the team. हो सकता है ये भी एक reason हो जिसकी वजह से we see that Man City is looking nervous right now. But see, हम सारे permutation combination लगा सकते हैं इस चीज़ में ये सोचने के लिए कि actually what is getting wrong with Manchester City right now. But I'm so happy to see them as humans right now. Like we're meeting at the same level, you know. तो which is why it feels believable that हाँ भाई ये लोग भी हार सकते हैं. Even though guys, do remember that पिछले सालों में एक ही क्लब है जो इनका robotic run तोड़ पाया है, and that is Liverpool. No matter how much Arsenal tried or whatever any other club tried, nobody even came close, you know. It's always been Liverpool, and we have lost like एक पॉइंट से 2 बार भाई, इट्स लाइक सो हार्ट ब्रेकिंग, सो डैम हार्ट ब्रेकिंग। और उससे उभरना इतना ईजी नहीं है। टू लूज द लीग बाय 1 पॉइंट, इवन यू हैव हैड लाइक 2 or 3 लॉसेज इन द इंटायर सीजन, बट तब भी टू बीट मैन सिटी यू हैव टू बी एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट। That's why it's really giving me satisfaction to see Man City right now the way they are playing. So it's fine. But still, like I'll say this again and again, end of the season तक बहुत games बचे हैं and City knows how to make a comeback. If there is any team who can do that, it's Man City. So which is why nobody, like no other club, especially Liverpool, should not really feel that अरे it's easy, we are winning it. ना भाई, new manager है, new manager ने आते ही league जितवा दिया। I will go crazy. I will literally go crazy, which is I'm not even going there. I'm not even hoping for that to happen, because I'm like, let's go with the flow. Let's go game after game. Let's see what happens, because we are just 1-2 injuries away for our season to get ruined. एंड यू नो कितना ही बैकिंग मिलता है अपने ओनर से अपने मैनेजर को, कितना ही मिलेगा। तो विच इज़ वाई लेट्स जस्ट प्रे कि प्लेयर्स फिट एंड फाइन रहे सो दैट वी कैन फेस द टीम्स एंड देयर इज़ लाइक मार्च तक प्रॉपर डिसाइड हो जाएगा भाई क्या क्या होने वाला है आगे। द फुटबॉल इज़ गोइंग टू बी लीथल दिस टाइम, लेट्स बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट वेंट yesterday's match. I hope you liked this video, but don't forget to comment down your reason. What is the reason behind the downfall of Manchester City? If we can actually call it downfall, but just the 5 consecutive defeats in a row. If we can just talk about that, do comment down below your reason that why is it actually happening with them. Baki, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.